Hi there. Are you looking for a complete JavaScript development course? Do you want to dive into a practical, fun, and enjoyable learning experience and become a fully qualified JavaScript developer? Do you want to learn JavaScript using illustrative graphics, making theoretical concepts very easy to grasp and apply in real-life projects? This comprehensive JavaScript course is brought to you by Development Island, which teaches over 20,000 students in over 160 countries. This course stands out compared to other JavaScript courses with its rich and super comprehensive curriculum. You'll go from the basics, learning variables, conditional and looping, functions, and objects, and move to advanced topics where you will learn JavaScript behind the scenes, where you will master concepts people find weird, which are not usually tackled in JavaScript courses, like the execution context, scope chain, closures, encapsulation and information hiding, the modular design pattern, and much more. This course is very practical and results-oriented, as it will teach you things by doing, through examples and coding exercises, which is the most effective learning method which will genuinely prepare you for a JavaScript developer job at the end of the course. This course will not only teach you coding, but will go beyond that and teach you the art of thinking and functional design. You will practice this by building a full professional typing test project using best JavaScript practices used in today's world-class organizations like the modular design pattern. This is truly a fantastic project where you will build an app which can be used by people to test their typing speed and download a PDF certificate at the end of the test. You'll be able to add this project to your CV, which will help you get a job soon. We are confident by taking this course, you will join many of our students who trusted Development Island's innovative teaching methods and secured jobs in the web development market. If you'd like to become a successful JavaScript developer with solid JavaScript foundations and a very good understanding of advanced concepts as well as practical experience, this is the course for you. So what are you waiting for? Join me today for a happy learning experience where you will be supported all the way through the course whenever you need help.